All right, I've got the first layer of the poor man's fiberglass on here. I tried using some fiberglass resin with the canvas and it did not come out well at all. As you can see, I have the door off right now so that I could wrap the corners a little bit better. So about 12 beers, 4.5 gallons of wood glue, 4 9x12 canvases, and it's pretty well covered. What a pain in the butt. So my next step, I guess I'm gonna do some sanding once it's really dried to get some of the globs off the corners. And then I'm gonna go over with probably some paint and some glue mixed together. And then the roof, when it's all said and done, I'm gonna do the resin on there just to make it extra waterproof. I'm actually gonna use the fiberglass resin because I have about a gallon of that left over. So thanks for watching, and I will continue to do some more video footage of this. And I'm shooting this sideways this time, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better. All right, have yourself a good Memorial Day weekend. Thanks.